Hello students, welcome to Be Ready to Learn with Roma Tiwari. Today I am here with the question answers of chapter instead of war drum. Okay, so first one is reference to context. Here is a reference. His father Bindusara did not like him very much, so Ashoka decided to prove himself. Why did Ashoka's father dislike him? So we know कि उसको एक skin disease थी. Okay, Ashoka had a kind of skin disease, and that's the reason why his father disliked him. Why did Ashoka want to prove himself? Because of the physical misappearance, or you can say the odd appearance, due to which he felt demoralized. Okay, और उसकी वजह से क्या होता था, he knew it कि his father does not like him. That's why he wanted to prove himself, and he proved also. Okay, how did he prove himself? Let me just show you. See here, the second line. So Ashoka decided to prove himself. He became a fearless warrior. So when he turned into fearless warrior, जब वो एक निडर योद्धा के रूप में उभर के सामने आया, तब जो है eventually his father began to value him. Okay. What are Ashoka's edicts and why are they important? Okay, let me just show you the paragraph from where you can get the answer. See here students, he built a number of stupas. Okay, in this you can give names. Okay, the Sanchi stupa built by Ashoka, and that is now a world heritage site. Okay, and he erected number of pillars. Okay, और उनको क्या हुआ कि in all 33 inscriptions have been found which are collectively referred to as Ashoka's edicts. Alright, so why are they important? Because these inscriptions proclaim Ashoka's belief in the Buddhist principles of Dhamma or non-violence and his intention to win over people by good deeds. Okay, so that's the reason why these edicts and by these pillars, all these things are important, because it actually tells us that how Ashoka was deeply influenced with Buddhism. Okay, and he actually believed in the principles of Dhamma, non-violence. All right. Why was Chand Ashoka a well-deserved nickname for Ashoka? Okay, see, this answer has different interpretation. Okay, as Chand has a kind of you can say clot, so that's the reason Ashoka was metaphored. Okay, it is a kind of metaphor which is used by a writer कि अशोका जो एक चांद की तरह है, ठीक है, और चांद में भी दाग था और इस चांद में भी दाग है. Okay, so that's why it is said that Chand Ashoka was a well-deserved nickname. All right. Describe the incident that transformed Emperor Ashoka. See here, students, after 8 years of coronation means होता है राज्याभिषेक, ठीक है, he was not satisfied. Okay, so he wanted to emerge Kalinga in his own kingdom, and he was very determined. All right, and that Kalinga war was very bloody and horrific, and that's the reason. So he won also. Okay, वो ये युद्ध जीत भी जाता है, ठीक है, but when the war finally ended, Ashoka looked around him. Okay, and he saw hundreds of corpses on the battlefield. So and after that, instead of becoming happy, he became sad, and that was actually the turning point. Okay, that made him uh, you can say a sensitive Ashoka. ओके, जिसको ये एहसास हो गया कि हाँ कि उसके इस युद्ध की वजह से कितनी बड़ी लाइफ एंड प्रॉपर्टी का नुकसान हुआ, कितना बड़ा मैसेकर हुआ, कितना बड़ा नरसंहार हुआ. सो दिस कलिंगा वॉर वाज एक्चुअली द टर्निंग पॉइंट. ओके, एंड इफ यू वांट टू मेक योर if you want to give extra weightage to your answer, you can add the incident. Okay, tell the whole incident, that will give extra marks and extra weightage also. Okay, what were the ways that Emperor Ashoka adopted to avoid violence altogether? Okay, let me just show you the answer. Here, see. Here, you can see that he, see the second last paragraph, that realization led to Ashoka's conversion to Buddhism, and he made it a state religion. Okay, he banned hunting, drew up a list of protected animals. Okay, and he urged everyone to turn into vegetarian. Okay, so these were some of the important steps which Ashoka had taken. See here, question 5, a tolerant person, okay, shows respect for the rights. And how did this particular Kalinga बैटल बिकेम द एक्चुअली शोज द इंटॉलरेंट नेचर। इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये हुआ कि एक जो टॉलरेंट पर्सन होता है, ठीक है, जो एक एम्परर है, उससे हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि हाँ वो सबके रेस्पेक्ट करे, ठीक है, हर एक के राइट्स, ओपिनियंस, प्रैक्टिसेस की। लेकिन इस कलिंगा युद्ध ने जो है अशोका के इनटॉलरेंट नेचर को दिखाया। लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू द आंसर वेयर इट इज। See here, this particular paragraph for 8 years, okay, the second last line. Emperor Ashoka was determined to make Kalinga part of his kingdom. So the king started a war against a neighboring kingdom, leading the war efforts himself. वो खुद इसकी अगुवाई करने लगा. And see that Ashoka fought many wars and conquered many territories, but the ambitious king was always dissatisfied. Okay. So this actually shows that yes, Ashoka was a kind of intolerant man. Okay. Now see the next question. How did Emperor Ashoka change to become a tolerant king after the Battle of Kalinga? Write in 100 words. Let in this indirectly you have to tell the whole situation or the whole circumstances. Okay, the whole incident, that how that war took place and what actually turned Ashoka into a tolerant king. Okay, you can start from here. Okay, that he was determined to make a Kalinga part of his kingdom, and then Kalinga war was very bloody and horrific. Okay, and then finally when the war ended, he became very sad. Okay, so ये आपको पूरा इंसिडेंट आपको बताना पड़ेगा. Okay, so students, these were the question answers. All right, still if you have any issues, you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to help you out. So keep studying, keep loving my channel. God bless you all. Thank you.